Welcome to DubWiz. This service will help you easily and conveniently translate and dub videos from your computer or from online services into the languages you need. All you need is a browser and internet access. In this video I'll show you how it's done. Let's get started. Open the website dubwiz.com. Click the Login button to enter the application. If you have a Google account, you can log in with one click. Otherwise, you can use your email to register and log in. Let's create a new project. You can drag files from your computer here, and in this field you can paste the address of the video you want to download from a supported online service. Paste the address of the video you want to translate. In this field you can specify the name of the project. You need to wait a while for the file to be analyzed. Then select the source language and the target language, or several languages. So, the file has been downloaded, the analysis is complete, let's select the language. The indicator here shows that transcript and speech detection are in progress. You will receive email notification when it's done so you won't have to wait. The file has been processed, you can start working. Open the project and open the first language from the list. So, we see that DubWiz has created a video transcript for us. It is better to double-check the text highlighted in red. You can use the built-in player to preview. For convenience, the video can be enlarged. Let's check the text and make sure everything is fine with it. There's something wrong here. We see that two phrases are merged together here, let's fix that. Another character says this phrase. Let's call him driver. Let's call the first character Tony. Be careful when editing the transcript because this transcript will be used to automatically translate all languages. And if the original text is incorrect, then the translation will also be incorrect. Let's continue, click Next to move to the translation screen. In order not to translate everything yourself, you can use the Auto Translate button and then review the translation. If you don't need to see the source, you can hide it. On the timeline below you see phrases that are already translated. Using this button you can preview the source, and this button allows you to retranslate the phrase. You can compress or expand the phrase using ChatGPT. This button generates AI voiceover. Or, if one has already been generated, it allows you to preview it. If you haven't selected voices before pressing the Generate button, you'll be prompted to select voices. You can also select all the voices in one menu by clicking Define Voices. Let's choose a voice for Tony. It is convenient to use filters in the voice selection window. For example, I want to use the Azure provider. Let's choose Christoph. We will choose another actor for the driver. To avoid generating phrases one by one, click the Dub All button. As you can see, our video is ready and dubbed. But there is a problem. Some phrases overlap. We can either shorten the text or move a phrase a little if the video allows it. The timeline zoom can be increased or decreased. In addition, using fragment selections, you can adjust the volume of the source and cut speech. If DubWiz does not automatically detect the speech boundaries correctly, we can stretch the fragment boundaries to cut out a larger area of the original speech. The original speech will be removed. This is done with the magic wand button. You can reset this fragment anytime. Select it again and cut the original speech using the magic wand button. When AI voiceover process is finished, you can click the preview button to preview your video. Lastly, you can generate the result in the format you need. If you only need audio, select MP3. Select MP4 for video. Let's generate a video in MP4 format. You see that work is in progress. You will also receive a notification by email. When it's finished, you can download this file. In the meantime, let's look at Spanish. As you can see, we already have the character names correct. And the text is also okay, because we have already edited it. Let's move on to translation right away. Click Auto Translate. We will assume that it is correct, because I don't speak Spanish. Choose a voice for Tony. And for the driver. And we can immediately generate a video. Expand the project, and you can see that German is ready. You can already download the video for it. The link will become active in a couple of seconds. The file name is formed as follows: date, time, name. This is done so that you can download multiple takes to choose from. You can download the file now. We have both files for 2 languages ready and can download them here. Here we see the language code. Spanish and German. The download link also becomes active. Good luck, and don't forget to share your evaluation results with us. If you don't have enough allocated minutes for the free evaluation, click the Add More button. Tell us briefly about your experience, and indicate how much time you need. Have fun!